drama that captures the different shades of childhood. We now present I Have a Dream.
My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Partha, I'm from Kolkata. My name is Partha, I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Bhargava, I'm from Vadodara. My name is Bhargava, I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Pashupati, I'm from Guwahati. My name is Pashupati, I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you. My name is Jagsminder, I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jasminder, I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. My name is Sai Hari, I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Sai Hari, I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you.
Yes, Mama. Ashwin, While the family catches up with each other around the dining table, two thieves enter the house stealthily. The family continues to eat, unaware of the impending danger. Suddenly,
What's happening here? Shut up. Give me all your valuables at once. If you listen to us, we will not harm you. Please don't harm us. Take whatever you want. Give it fast. Give it fast. Shut up. Keep quiet. Somebody help. Shut up. Didn't I tell you to shut up?
in the meanwhile, two little boys, Vijay and Surya, happen to come by Mr. Ram's house.
Oh God! I think that Mr. Ram's family has been attacked. What shall we do now? What can we do? We are so small. Think fast. Let's make a plan. Come here, come here.
The two brave boys set out to help the family in distress.
Yes, we will call them.
Children were so brave. Did you know? This is the true story of children in Haryana. Really? I can't believe it. They even got a medal for bravery. They are so wonderful. But, do you have to be like them to be wonderful? I don't know. I don't know if I'm so brave. When there are so many things we do that makes us wonderful. Like swinging from the tree. Or getting wet in the rain. What about stealing mangoes? or we could be like Benji. Benji? Who's this Benji? Come, let's hear Benji's story.
Little Benji loved to help. He'd feed little kittens and little ants. He'd feed little birdies and water the plants. He'd help old people cross the road and help the vendors carry their load. Of all his deeds, nobody knew, but day by day his world of friends grew. He got no medal or award, but each day he'd be happier. That was his reward.
songs you like to sing. Think happy, and life's a happy thing. Think hopscotch, think chipmunks, think puppets on a string. Think happy, and life's a happy thing. A smile looks good on you, so try one on for size. Think apple pie, or better yet, try 2 apple pies. Think fireworks, think hot dogs, think daffodils, think spring. Think happy, and life's a happy thing. The best thing for a frown are things that make you laugh. Think of a clown if he lets you down. Try a giraffe. Think birthdays, think french fries, think swinging on a swing. Think things that are happy and watch yourself take wing. Think happy, and life is a happy thing.
Hey Benji, you make all of us so happy.
Really? I do it because it makes me happy.
And you make all of us happy.
All of us are happy. Let's sing a song.
Let's sing.
Call
let's
everybody.
sing.
Let me go.
I would now like to introduce our children. Burhan, Yashwant, Hemant, Vignesh, Annie, Swapna, Shashank, Aparajit, Dayanand, and little Ashwin.
Our story, Neum Uruguru, takes this theme a step further. We are all joined in our hearts, our souls and our minds. We are all so much greater than any one of us can be. We go on Ahan's journey, a simple cowherd who gains the wisdom of the world, not just by being an observer of the universe, but by recognizing that he is a vital part of this universe. The trainees of the vocational training unit and the babies of the early intervention group now present Neum Uruguru. You too are a teacher. Drawn up, I can see we do have with us now Mr. Brian Dalton from the American Consulate. Welcome. Welcome, Mr. Brian. This is the last part of our program by the children. This is going to be followed by a small questionnaire by the guests. We just wait for the curtains to go up before we can see the trainees of the vocational training unit.